Hey guys, welcome back to Ball and Feet. This is Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about a fifth position break ending and break it down for you guys. So typically we do like underarm turns. We have some kind of ending or a break we need in order to get back to a box step again, because that's what's normal, I guess, right? So we have first position, second position, or fifth position breaks. Real quick, just so we're on the same page of what this looks like. If I do like a half a box and an open break, an underarm turn, really common basic pattern. We default a lot in our videos to first position breaks. There's a thing called the second position break where we can go sideways. And then in our fifth position breaks pattern, we use an alternate ending. We take our side step, we both turn and rock behind ourselves here, and then we could do whatever we want from that point. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to a box from that place and break down this pivot. So we're gonna do an extra side step here, our side basic. We're both gonna turn and rock backwards. And what's gonna happen now is as I replace my weight to my right foot, I need to get her to pivot on that left foot and face me so we can now start the next box together. We're gonna show you another context. We're gonna do the open break and underarm turn. And we're gonna use this fifth position break ending instead of a first position break, which is our typical default. So here now we're gonna meet where we're gonna do this ending to go back to a box instead of our together, march, more basic ending, right? So this is a more advanced, more dynamic ending that you can choose to use. So again, we're gonna go into it one more time. We do an open break, we take a side step, we meet in the middle on our side step, we take a dance position, we both rotate and go rock, step, she pivots to close to me, then we get to go walk into our next box step. So how I lead this throughout my upper body, right? So we both have rocked backwards into this position here. I've turned away from her. It's essentially a promenade or a fall away position, right? I've replaced my weight and I need to turn my torso back to the direction I want to move in. So I step forward on this foot and I turn my torso and I close her to me, so we're back into a regular dance position. You probably won't make it all the way around to face exactly this direction. I might only make it like half of that turn, and then I can use a curving step more or less if I want to kind of take that momentum with me. So we take the extra side step, we both rock backwards, I take a step and close my torso so everything's square for me, and then I can continue curving if I would like to make it a perfect quarter turn to the left.
So as a tip for the followers, because there are, as he mentioned, a few different ways you could end it, we always default to the simplest way, which is just the first position break, is after, let's say, a turn, because this is the most common ending in your patterns here. I'm gonna simply wait here. I'm gonna always default to this because there's not much of a lead for that besides him closing his feet, but everything else requires more of a lead. So I'm always gonna default to going to first position, and then he has the opportunity to turn me into a fifth position break, or we haven't talked about this much, but a side break as well to get me into something else. So if I simply just wait after I transfer my weight to the side of my left foot, I'm gonna default to this, but if he leads me anywhere else, now he has the opportunity to lead me before I take a step or change my weight. So that's my biggest tip in terms of following what ending it is instead of anticipating one of the many endings that he could use depending on preference or the pattern.
If you like some of this content and you have other questions, please comment down below what you'd like us to do next. Like the video so more people can see this.
Please check out our website, ballroom.com. It means the world. We have so much more content on there for you, more in depth, more stuff. Go check it out, and we'll see you guys in the next one.